Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to tap into the power of the ClickUp API for your workflows, apps, or automations, you'll need an API key to get started. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate an API key using ClickUp's API step by step. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to securely create your own API key, which opens up endless integration possibilities for you and your team. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's access your ClickUp profile. In the top right corner of your ClickUp dashboard, you'll see your profile picture. Give that a click. This is the gateway to all your personal and security settings. If you're not seeing it, make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Sometimes, especially in organizations with multiple logins, it's easy to get a little lost. Once you're inside your profile area, look for the Settings option. Go ahead and click that. The Settings section is where you tweak everything about your ClickUp experience, from notifications to integrations. For this tutorial, we're after something a bit more technical, the ClickUp API. So next, find and select the ClickUp API option. This should be pretty easy to spot within the Settings menu. This is where you'll be able to manage developer apps and, most importantly, generate those API keys. If you're doing this for the first time, don't worry. ClickUp's layout is designed to be friendly, and I'm here to guide you through every click. Now you'll see an option to create an app. This might sound a little intimidating, but don't let the terminology throw you off. Creating an app here just means setting up a new API connection. You're not building a whole software project. Think of it like giving your integration a name and a home. So click Create an App and we'll move on. You'll be asked to name your app. This sounds simple, but it actually helps you stay organized, especially if you ever generate multiple API keys for different purposes. You could name it something descriptive, like Marketing Automation Tool or Personal Dashboard Integration. Just make sure it's clear to you what this key will be used for, because you might see it again later. After that, you'll need to add redirect URLs. Now, this might sound technical, but it's essential for security. The redirect URL tells ClickUp where to send the API access tokens, so only your trusted applications receive them. If you're just testing, you can use a localhost address like http://localhost 3000, but in production, add the actual URL of your application. If you're unsure here, it's better to pause and double-check than rush through. You want to make sure your API key is only used by authorized apps. Next, click that Create App button. This is the moment where everything comes together. ClickUp will now generate your app and, importantly, your API key. Sometimes this part takes a few seconds, so don't worry if the page hangs for a moment. Once your app is created, you'll see your client secret, and this is your API key. Before you copy anything, I always recommend clicking the Show button so you can see the entire key. This secret is super important. Imagine it as the password for your app's communication with ClickUp. Treat it with care and never share it publicly. You can now copy it to your clipboard, save it somewhere safe, and start using it in your API projects. And that's all there is to it. You've officially got your own ClickUp API key, and you're ready to power up your integrations, automations, and tools. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got questions about using the API or integrating with other platforms, drop them in the comments. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy walkthroughs and practical tech tips. See you next time.